Good morning everyone. In this video I'll be explaining you the solution of the numerical problems which is given in your book. Now here we go. Our first question is a piece of lead weighs 232 gram. That means mass of lead is given. Now let me just zoom it out. Now the mass is given as 232 gram and the volume as 20 centimeter cube. Therefore, by following the formula density is equals to mass upon volume, we can put the value and can get the result. Now in next question, 5 liters of alcohol. Again I am repeating 5 liters of alcohol. Let me tell you that liter is the unit of volume. Liter is the unit of volume of liquid. Therefore, volume of alcohol is 5 liter. Has a mass of 4 kg. The mass is given as kg. Now calculate the density in gram centimeter cube. Now the first part is that we are supposed to calculate the density in gram per centimeter cube. So let me explain you. Whenever we are having mass in kg, we take volume in meter cube, and if we have mass in gram, we take volume in centimeter cube. So since we are asked to calculate it in gram per centimeter cube, so it's our responsibility just to convert this kg into gram. Therefore mass of alcohol is equals to 4 kg. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Therefore 4 kg is equals to 4000 gram. 5 liters of alcohol. Volume of alcohol is given as 5 liter. Now since the mass is in gram, so we are supposed to calculate it into centimeter cube. Here I'll be explaining you the conversion. Now we know that 1 liter is equals to 1 upon 1000 meter cube and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So we can write 1 liter is equals to 1 upon 1000 and meter cube as 1 meter cube. Now 1 upon 1000 into 1 meter cube. That means 1 meter is multiplied 3 times. That means if 1 meter is multiplied 3 times, therefore the converted value, that is 100 centimeter, must also be multiplied 3 times. So we are having 1 upon 1000 into 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube, thus cancelling out the zeros, and here the answer will be with the left 0. That is 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. I hope it is clear now how this 5 liter is converted into 5000. Since 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube, therefore 5 liter is equals to 5000 centimeter cube. Now very simply, just again substituting the value of mass and volume in the formula for density, we just had density as 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now again we are asked to calculate it in kilogram per meter cube. Now let us go for the conversion. Now look into this part which is already in the book. We know 1 kilogram per meter cube can be written as 1 kilogram upon 1 meter cube. 1 kilogram can be written as 1000 gram. 1 meter cube can be written as 100 centimeter to the power whole 3. So this is 1000 gram. This 100 as 100 into 100 into 100. Now just cancelling out 3 zeros. Here we are left with 1 upon 1000 gram per centimeter cube. That is 1 kilogram per meter cube is equals to 1 upon 1000 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore we can have just cross multiply it. 1 gram per centimeter cube will be 1 into 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Therefore 1 kilogram per meter cube can be written as 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 means 1 upon 1000. That means 1 upon 10 to the power 3. And 1 gram per centimeter cube will be equal to 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Now, since in first part we have already calculated the density in gram per centimeter cube, therefore following the relation 1 gram per centimeter cube is equals to 1000 kilogram per meter cube, we are having 0.8 gram per centimeter cube is equals to 1000 into 0.8, which will give you 800 kilogram per meter cube. Now the next question is, find the mass of 555 centimeter cube of iron. That means volume is given. We have to calculate the mass in kg when the density of iron is 7.6 gram per centimeter cube. Density is given as 7.6 gram per centimeter cube. The volume is given in centimeter cube. So therefore first we go for mass in gram. Now following the formula, density is equals to mass upon volume. So mass is equals to density into volume. We will have the mass in gram. And we know 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Therefore 4218 gram will be equal to 4218 upon 1000, which will give you 4.218 kilogram. Now the very last and fourth question. A density bottle weighs 20.25 ग्राम when empty. एक डेंसिटी बॉटल है जो खाली है और उसका मास क्या है 20.25. नाउ जब इस बॉटल को आप लिक्विड से फिल कर देते हैं तो उसका मास क्या हो जाता है 4.75. ओके, व्हेन फिल्ड विथ लिक्विड. एंड जब आप इस बॉटल को पानी से फिल करते हैं तो उसका मास हो जाता है 50.25 ग्राम. नाउ द सॉल्यूशन इज एज एम्प्टी बॉटल का मास कितना था 20.25. जब उसमें पानी फिल हो गया दैट मीन्स इस एम्प्टी बॉटल के मास में आपने पानी को भी फिल कर दिया. दैट मीन्स अब उसमें बॉटल का भी मास आ गया और पानी का भी मास आ गया एंड टुगेदर कितना मास आया है 50.25. Similarly, when it is filled with liquid, that means mass of empty bottle we are going to take plus mass of liquid. Together it is 40.75 gram. It means अगर बॉटल और पानी का इकट्ठा मास इतना है और बॉटल का अकेले मास इतना है, तो अगर आपको सिंपली पानी का मास निकालना है तो आप इस पूरे में से एम्प्टी बॉटल के मास को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. You will get the mass of only water. Similarly, if you want to calculate the mass of only liquid, आप डेंसिटी बॉटल और लिक्विड के पूरे मास से सिर्फ एम्प्टी बॉटल के मास को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. You will get the mass of liquid, mass of only liquid. And from the formula I have already told you that the standard value of density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. इट मीन्स 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब की बॉटल में 1 ग्राम ऑफ पानी आएगा. दैट मीन्स अगर 1 ग्राम ऑफ पानी किसी भी कंटेनर में आता है दैट मीन्स उस कंटेनर का वॉल्यूम 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब होगा. सो इफ़ 1 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, देयरफॉर 30 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर विल बी 30 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. एंड ये जो वॉल्यूम आया है ये बॉटल का वॉल्यूम होगा. इज़ दैट क्लियर? क्यों? बिकॉज अगर हम एक बर्तन में 2 लीटर दूध लेते हैं इसका मतलब वो बर्तन की कैपेसिटी, उस बर्तन का खुद का वॉल्यूम 2 लीटर है, इसीलिए उसमें 2 लीटर का ही दूध आता है. अगर उस बर्तन की कैपेसिटी और ज़्यादा होती तो उसमें ज़्यादा लीटर या ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम ऑफ लिक्विड आता. देयरफॉर वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉटल इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. ओके, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉटल आपको पता चल गया, मास ऑफ लिक्विड आपको पता है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉटल आपको निकालना था दैट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड. डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड निकालना है तो डेंसिटी के लिए मास ऑफ लिक्विड आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द मास ऑफ एम्प्टी बॉटल. एंड आपको वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉटल पता होनी चाहिए जिसमें ये लिक्विड रखा है. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉटल वी ऑलरेडी नो इट इज़ 30 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. देयरफॉर वी हैव डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड इज इक्वल्स टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. Substituting the value we have density of liquid is equals to 0.683 gram per centimeter cube.